Hello guys, today I'll show you how to create a calendar in Power BI. There are two options here with DAX environment and in Power Query environment. Uh, Today I'll show you how to create in DAX. Let's go to Power BI and click Model Element and New Table. And here we have calendar and function obviously calendar. So simple. Date, let's create it manually, so 2020 0101, and here date, let's say 2025 12/31, and we have our calendar with date hierarchy. So this looks like how it looks like. Additionally, we can create columns with some measures. Let's say a new column with number of months. So let's say month, date, and here we have number of months. I'll show you how to create the name of the month, but we have one problem here, because when we create a new column with formula format and date, and we say we would like to have the name of the month, month name, this is column with format text. It's like January, February. So when we create some chart, this will sort alphabetically, not by like month order, because our Power BI do not understand that this is the month name. Yeah, so when we create like some metrics with month name, you see, alphabetically. But when we have this one, I understand this is really a month. Yeah. So this is only the text. The next one, we can create a column with weekday. Weekday. The same format, date, and the name of the day. So also we have Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and it's also text. So we should create a week number, the number of the day of the week. Yeah, so we have week day number, and we have formula week day date. So from 1 to 7 we have number and we have weekday. So when we create a weekday, yeah, we see it's sorted alphabetically. So how we can change it? We can click weekday and sort, but by weekday number. And you see, and you see, oh yeah, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So it's sorted, but by this order. So that's how it's work. Thank you guys. That's all I would like to share with you.